Hi, Magnolia. It's time for OT group, and I'm so excited to get started. Today, for OT group, we are going to say hello by doing a double wave. Hi, Magnolia. Next, we're going to talk about the zones. The blue zone is when we're tired and sad. The green zone is when we're happy and ready to learn. The yellow zone is when we're feeling excited or nervous. The red zone is when we're feeling angry and maybe want to shout. It's okay to be in any of the zones. We're going to use a strategy to make us feel better. Today, we're going to explore the blue zone, especially when we feel tired. Maybe when we wake up in the morning before we start our schoolwork, we have to get our bodies moving. So today, the strategy we're going to learn is to do an obstacle course. We're going to build our own obstacle course at home. You will need pillows, a blanket, and maybe your couch, but use whatever you have at home to build an obstacle course. For my obstacle course, I crawled over pillows, I crawled under a blanket, I did 5 wall push-ups, and I bunny hopped all the way over to my couch for a crash. I want you to build your own obstacle course using pillows and blankets and maybe even using the same steps I did and doing it 3 times. I will now show you a video. Okay, here I go. Crawl over the pillows, under the blanket, go over to the wall and do 5 wall push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then hop like a bunny and crash, and then do it 2 more times. All done with the obstacle course. You can even push pause right now, and then we can go over what we did on our reflection. So for our reflection, today in OT group, I did an obstacle course, or did I make Play-Doh? That's right, we did an obstacle course. Today, did we explore the yellow zone or the blue zone? We explored the blue zone. When we're feeling tired, we can move our bodies to feel more awake. Doing an obstacle course makes me feel happy or sad. My obstacle course made me feel very happy. I feel very awake after doing my obstacle course. So that's all for today. Make sure mom and dad take a picture or send a video to Miss Seema so I can see how you did your obstacle course. So today we will say bye by doing our double wave. I'll see you soon, Magnolia. Bye.